using our platform, that is Fabric. So the first step is we need to log into the given URL, that is https://wag.fbrk.in, with the credentials mentioned here, username and password. As soon as we log in, we'll see a dashboard layout having the similar kind of a structure which I have attached in this screenshot. The only difference will be right now you can see the list of the CPTs or walkthroughs, but there it will be no CPTs and walkthrough as of now because it's a new username. The first step we need to do is click on create. As soon as we click on create, we'll get a modal which will be asking the name of the CPT. Here, what in course of the whole explanation, CPT and walkthrough are the same. So I've mentioned it in the bracket also. So you can place the name, whatever you want to assign to that particular CPT or walkthrough, and click OK. As soon as you click OK, you will be landing on the editor page, wherein you will see the start step by default already there. This start step will hold two options, that is CPT name and CPT description, which can be walkthrough name and walkthrough description. Both are the same things. CPT name will be the same name what we have added at step 2, that is at this step, and with an additional option to add the description. Once we add the name and the description, now the next step is to add the first step. Start step won't be counted as a first step. It will only be holding the name and the description of the CPT, which will be displayed onto the dashboard. The first step, the process to add first step is to right click on the grid screen. The editor is having two screens. One is the grid screen, that is the gray area, and the white screen, which is the preview screen. Whatever activity we'll be doing on the grid screen will be shown as a preview on the white screen, that is the left screen. The first step we need to do is right click on the grid. We'll get two options, add node, add group. We need to click on to add node. As soon as we'll click on add node, we'll get another 4 options of steps, models, animations, and heat maps. We need to click on steps. As soon as we'll click on step, we'll again get 2 more options, that is step and start. We need to ignore the start because it's already added there. We need to click on the step. As soon as you'll click step, we'll get a step node, as you can see on the screenshot. This step node will be holding 4 options, that is title of that step, description of that step, verification if required, and a 3D scene, which is optional if we want to attach a 3D model to that step or not. So after filling out the step name and step description, we need to connect the step node with the start node. We need to keep one thing in mind, that if this connect is not there, there will be no guided system and CPT will always be at the start step. How to connect it? We need to hover our mouse at the start step point, as you can see the green point, and drag the line to the step node where the previous step point is there. We need to attach it. Once it is attached, both the points will turn into green, and that's how we'll find out that the connection is successful. Again, the next step after connecting the step, both the start node and the step node, we need to upload the 3D model. How to do that? As I told earlier, that we'll be getting 4 options. Among those 4, one option is 3D scene enable or disable. We need to click on enable. After we click on enable, we need to drag and drop the 3D model which we have downloaded from the given Google Drive link to this particular step node. That is our first step. As soon as we drag and drop it, you'll see the 3D model on the preview screen.
Okay. So is it like a real drag and drop? Like I can drop any file to my Gmail, writing window, and it will just adopt it from there?
Yeah. So from Gmail, you have to download it into your system, and wherever it is downloaded into your system, you just drag and drop it to this node.
Okay. Okay.
So from Google Drive, you have to, the first step is to download it locally, whatever system you are using. And from the local storage, you have to drop it at this node.
Anywhere in the node, just enable and drop it.
Yes, enable and drop it, but we need to drop it on that particular node step which we want 3D model to show.
Absolutely.
Right now, for example, I've only used one node, but the same way we can add consecutive steps and consecutive 3D models to various steps.
Perfect.
So whatever step title and step description we will be placing at this step, it will be shown as step title and step description as a preview onto the white screen, that is the preview screen. After uploading 3D model, we have to hit publish. So now publish is for actually saving the progress. And after you hit publish and you save the progress, we need to go back to the dashboard and check the walkthrough. Madhukar, I was actually completing the last part, that is screenshot नहीं है जहाँ पे dashboard में जाके है, वो एक बस last step है, but that is the last step wherein we launch the dashboard, click start, and whatever we did here, whatever was coming on this preview screen will be getting there onto the viewer.
No problem. So beyond this, I think if we can open a screen like our meeting minutes, then this is great. So at least over here we can at least start using your platform to open a 3D model, which is already, we are not getting into making a 3D model at this point in time. We'll do it later. Right now, it will be recorded models that we are opening over here. That's great. So with this document, we can do that. Great.
Yeah. So with this document, it's actually very simple and very easy to just drag and drop a 3D model and view it in your space or into 3GS experience, whatever
Very nice. Can you also give us a way, like, they create, because Puneet is giving me some link for a Batman car. So can we get that link so that as soon as you click that link, it opens on your cell phone and then you can take into your augmented reality as well?
Do you want, so what link? Do you want the link wherein all the models are there? Or you want that link where we just click and get into AR experience?
I'm talking about whatever, for example, I do something over here over the period of time. I mean, not in this step. We'll do something in the period of time. Animation banana hai ya model hai, jo bhi cheez hai. Now I want to take it into my cell phone, open it to my cell phone, and then take it into my vicinity.
हाँ, तो वही था. So once you hit publish, right? The next screenshot जो मैंने अभी यहाँ पे डाला नहीं है, मैं वही कह रहा था last step कि मैं आपको live दिखा देता हूँ. So now suppose this is the progress, right? And I hit publish. I do get there should be a message, but हम उस पे काम कर रहे हैं. तो next step would be we'll click on dashboard.
Okay.
As soon as we'll click on dashboard, so the created CPT अभी कई सारी created है, तो वो जो next CPT है वो last में आएगी.
Okay.
So the created CPT will be here, and क्योंकि वो existing मैंने पहले ही save publish कर दिया था, तो वो last की बजाय यहाँ 196 पे आएगी. उसके बाद मैंने दो और create की थी. तो आप जैसे ही उसको start करोगे ना, तो that will give you the option to place it in your vicinity. तो start के बाद एक introduction page भी आता है जहाँ पे थोड़ा introduction उस particular business का या enterprise का हम देते हैं, which if required वो आपको भी आएगा. और ये है 3JS experience. यहाँ पे आपका वो 3D model show होगा. वो अभी थोड़ा time ले रहा है upload होने में.
तो link कहाँ पर है? जो link which is shared with us.
The link is on the top of the document, no? If you open the document, मैंने आपको email भेजा था मधुकर, लेकिन in the first page of the document, इधर है. Log into https warp.fbrk.in.
नहीं वो नहीं, जैसा कि you know that you have sent me a bat. bat का एक link है. तो वो link की बात कर रहा हूँ, जो link bat आता है, Batman car आती है, all those kind of things. You send me a link.
Yes. So that is in community.fbrk.in.
अच्छा, उसमें जाकर
उसमें जाकर देखना. We'll actually connect both community and warp.fbrk.in. वो connect नहीं बना है, but we will do that.
No problem. Just mention in the same document.
Yeah, I will mention that in the document.
ठीक है, good. एक animation और चाहिए. Is there any animation that we can excite our children about? You know,
I think the model which I showed, Batmobile, it already holds a default animation of opening the door.
Opening and closing. You know, one more thing. You know, Somil, from that point of view, you have a motor which is disengaging and engaging, right? 3 or 4 parts. It's opening up. You know, from the service point of view, when you want to give a vision to your child that, hey, remotely somebody will be able to help you with a 3D model how to repair a thing. You know, your car, Mercedes car, your racing car, your toy or anything. So we, you know, as a vision, we want to give them that kind of thing कि it can dismantle and people can talk about it. You know, आपको एक toy को पूरा अलग करके दिखा रहे हैं, ऐसे करके 15 parts हैं इसमें, right? And animation that comes over there. So we will like to learn because that is a next step, right? Puneet? Yes. Simple models. Yes. You know, cut into 4 parts, 5 parts. So that is something that is coming after that.
Yes. तो वो भी उस community.fabric.in में है. So हाँ, तो instead of it being a Batmobile, we just change the asset into a motor.
Okay.
So Saumil, whenever you're done with this, just open community.fabric.in !, demo product equal to motor. So I don't remember the URL. You'll have to check. One second, I'll tell you. 1 second. One minute, I'm opening Slack.
Is it the same URL of Netlify? We just changed it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
ठीक है. तो नो आई गेट द पॉइंट. जो भी हो मतलब इसमें हम लोग बिल्ड करते जाएंगे इस वाले डॉक्यूमेंट में itself.
Yes, that's the idea. It's a running document.
I want in sequence that animation opening, so we can open that animation, right? We can add the hotspot, we can add the video, and we can also add that animation, whatever way you want to do it.
Yes.
You know, that process in places document में आ जाए, that is so great.
Yes, we'll add that. So, and this will be a running document, keeps going.
Perfect. No problem. कोई बात नहीं सोमिल. I've seen that before. आप उस document में add कर देना. I've seen that many times. You know. So I'm very familiar with that.
Okay, cool.
ठीक है. It's all documentation. I'm looking forward to simple building के animation कैसे build करते हैं. इसको public URL कैसे create करते हैं. You know, that kind 2 things over there.
Okay. Cool.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Somil.
No issues. No problem.
Puneet, this is great. Right?
That's good.
Let's keep building this thing.
Yeah, we'll keep building on it, and let me know when you're going live now. When you start getting the first users, let me know because we'll make sure that if they have any questions, they're stuck somewhere, we respond quickly.
ठीक है, हम लोग रेडी हैं. सी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी हैं, मैं किसी को भी फोर्स कर सकता हूं इसे ज्वाइन करने के लिए. बट लेट्स गेट few things. This is ready. This is good for many classes.
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग कहीं इसको you're not stopping me.
Yes.
But let's get some kind of trend in place, and we are going to start from Tuesday onward. We are going to start showing AR and VR in our free demo session.
Okay.
Which no company is doing.
Got it. Nice.
Class 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3 के लिए बहुत छोटा है.
अच्छा. So I can say a 3-year-old really enjoys AR based on my experience, but that's anecdotal evidence.
We will explore, no problem. If that is the case, we'll explore for class 3 as well.
Explore for younger kids as well because they at least enjoy posing next to a rocket or a car and looking at themselves with an AR thing.
कर सकते हैं हम. ठीक है, हम लोग करके देखते हैं. Let me function with different age group in my house as well.
Sure.
I have a 5 and an 8-year-old.
Nice.
I'll try those too.
Sounds good.
Chalo, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Madhukar. We'll catch up later. I'll
Thank
just share
you,
this video.
Thank you so much for your time.